Hello friends, welcome to Light Mode. In this video, I will teach you how to solve any quadratic equation within seconds. So SBI, PO, RRB, PO, RRB clerk, in all these exams, you will get easily 5 marks within 2 minutes if you watch our video series of quadratic equations. And this is very easy mark to fetch in any exam, and you should master these equations and tricks which I am going to teach you today. So do watch the video full. So going forward, first trick is, like you can see in this slide, Radio Pakistan has tweeted that in Ladakh maximum temperature is -4 degrees centigrade and minimum temperature is -1 degree centigrade. Now what happened that Radio Pakistan was trolled heavily. Why? Because they said that -4 is maximum. So what they are saying is -4 is greater than -1 and -1 is minimum. But is this right? No, it's wrong. See, what happens is 4 is greater than 1, but -4 is not greater than -1. -4 is less than -1. You can see this on the graph as well. If I put this as 0, so -1 comes here, -4 comes here. So the sign is something like this. The right hand side is always greater than the line graph. Okay, like here it is 4, here it is 1. So what you will see, 4 is greater than 1. So same happens here. So Radio Pakistan committed a huge mistake, and aspirants also commit the same mistake in the exam, where we have to compare negative numbers and we are unable to find the correct answer. So you have to not commit the same blunder which our beloved neighbor Pakistan committed. Going forward, I believe that before going into further tricks, first I should explain what's the base of this quadratic equations. So as you can see, this is the hyperbolic graph of x square plus 4x minus 12, and as we can see here, x square, so the root will be 2 if it is x square, so root will be 2. If it's x cube, then the roots will be 3, x4, and similarly the roots will be the power whatever x holds. And what's this value? So the roots are nothing but the value at which y will change to 0. So what's happening at the value 2? You can put 2 and the value will get 0. You can put -6, the value will get 0. You can try. So this is a beautiful example of how it works. I believe that you should know the base, then only you will develop an interest to solve the quadratic equation questions. And the second thing is Sridharacharya formula. So this is the Sridharacharya formula, -b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is also called D determinant. So using this, you can solve any questions, any quadratic equation solution where a is not equal to 0, the coefficient. But the catch is, in bank exams there are 2 quadratic equations asked, something like this. Okay, so in this slide you will see in exams questions are asked like this. So you don't have that much time to solve 2 equations using Sridharacharya's formula. So what do you need? You need tricks. So what I'm going to teach, those tricks. So how many types of quadratic equation are there which are mainly asked in the bank exams? So 4 types are mainly there. First one is plus plus, minus plus, plus minus, minus minus. So I am telling the signs. After that, the quadratic equation trick. On the left hand side you can see the signs which are included here, and on the right hand side the signs which you will get into the answer. Okay, so if the sign is minus plus, then the solution will be also plus plus. Every time it will be plus plus. Similarly, if it's plus plus, then the solution will be minus minus, and if it's plus minus, minus plus, minus minus, plus minus. So you can just memorize this, learn this. Okay, I also know one trick using which you can just memorize this thing. If you don't know how to memorize it, you can comment below. I will publish a video in English in which I will explain how to memorize this, but I believe that you are in early or late 20s, so you will memorize this. Moving further, now I will show you 2 tricks. So the first trick is between this type of equation. Okay, so what happens is, in the last slide we saw, whenever we get minus plus sign, so the solution is always plus plus. Though solution sign will be always plus plus, and when the sign is plus plus, okay, when the sign in the question is plus plus, then the answer will be always minus minus. So from here you can interpret that whenever we will get two questions like this, so the plus plus will be always greater than minus. So you can accordingly write x greater than y or y greater than x, whatever the question is. So first trick is just by seeing two questions having such type of format, you can easily just take within 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds you can get 1 mark. Moving to next trick. So the next trick will be related to this. So here the sign is plus minus and the solution will be minus and plus, and here the sign is minus minus, so the solution will be always, okay, I repeat, whenever you will get minus minus sign, the solution will be always plus minus. Now you can interpret from here that minus will be greater than plus and plus will maybe or greater than plus, but this minus will never be greater than this plus. So there is a conflict. That's why always the answer is C and D. Okay. Now let me explain this by an example. So I am going to give you an example. So the question is x square minus 10x minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay. And second is y square plus 6x minus 40 is equal to 0. So the thing to be noticed here is this is in the format this and this is in the format this. So the roots are x is equal to 12 and minus 2. To verify the trick, I am directly writing the roots. Y is equal to minus 10 and 4. Okay, so these are the roots of y. Now when you will compare, so we compare every number with every number, each number with every number. So 12 is greater than minus 10. Okay, 12 is greater than 4, but minus 2 is greater than minus 10. Yes, but minus 2 is greater than 4. No. So whenever the sign reverses like this, so the C and D holds. So this is totally a trick. So whenever you will see such kind of format, you can easily do C and D and move cannot be determined. So you learn two tricks from here which are very important. Okay, so I taught you till now that minus 4 is always less than minus 1. 3 tricks regarding how to solve few quadratic equations in seconds. Now I will solve a typical question which is a moderate one, how to solve such type of questions. So basically what happens is we have to break this quadratic equation in such a way that the multiplication of c into a means 24 should be done in such a way that the factorization's addition is 11 but the multiplication is 2 into 12. So I can easily assume that it's 8 into 3, but for your comfortability, if you don't think, if you aren't able to think how I got this number, so I will do the factorization 2, and for 12 I will write 3 into 4. So you can easily get the 2 and 4, the even number. Pick the even numbers and the multiplication of 2 and 4 is 8 and the odd number is 3. And you know, in the last to last slide I told you whenever the sign is plus plus, the roots will be minus minus. So minus 8, minus 3, and the catch is in the last questions the coefficient of x square was 1. So the root was 1 in denominator, whether it's 1 or not, it doesn't matters. But if root is not 1, it's 2. Okay, so the coefficient is 2. When we put denominator as 2, it changes the value. So the root will be minus 8 by 2 means minus 4 and minus 1.5. This is the root of x. Now for the y, same process. We have to break 90, 45 into 2 into 2 parts. So the roots are 10 and 9, again minus sign because both these signs are in plus, and we will divide it by 2 because the coefficient is 2. So we will get the root again minus 5 and minus 4.5. Now we have to again compare it individually. Okay, so the first comparison will minus 4 with minus 5. So yes, minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Now minus 1.5 is again greater than minus 5. After that, minus 4 is also greater than minus 4.5, and minus 1.5 is also greater than minus 4.5. So the answer will be x greater than y. You can also see this on a line graph. If you didn't understood, here what will come? Minus 1.5, here minus 4, here minus 4.5, and here minus 5. So the minus 4.5 and minus 5 is also always on the left hand side. So minus 4 and minus 1.5 will be always greater than y. That's why the answer will be y greater than x. So I think that you have got the approach how to solve the questions. In the further videos, I will teach how to solve equations like this. Okay, how to solve equations like this. Apart from this, tough equations like this, how to solve this kind of equations. So in the further videos, I will teach you how to solve equations like this. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe our videos, because I believe mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It's all about your understanding. And what I have tried to make sure in this video, that whatever I am teaching you, that goes deep into your mind, and you get easy couple of marks in the exam. And if you watch my further videos, I will make sure that you get easily 5 marks within 2-3 minutes, and that will be the eureka moment for you. So thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe us and mark the ring bell. Do ring the bell to see further math trick which will help you ace any exam with minimal efforts. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions related to general awareness, reasoning, English, any personalized guidance you need, you can mail us at hi@lightmode.in. In the description, you can also find the group links of Telegram, Facebook, Quora, Twitter, Instagram. So wherever you are available, do join us, do join our family to get success in the minimum time, because what we mean by light mode is leverage your time. Thank you for watching the video. God bless you.